Hi again, I hope you're doing well and helpful trader here. I hope that you subscribe my channel and don't forget to do it because I am helpful for you and I can post my weekly and daily analysis to let you know about the market, the cycle and where it wants to go. Let's get started with DXY. For DXY or dollar index, I haven't seen any more beautiful channel like this. What you can see, the price is moving in this channel and we have good reaction to the midline and this channel is valuable. And I trusted this channel one more time because I could see the reaction exactly at this point we had. And so what you see was the reaction to this zone and it moved toward the midline, but it couldn't see the midline one more time. I guess dollar is getting stronger and it's gonna get stronger maybe for next week because we're gonna have, Federal Reserve meeting in the following days, and they are going to decide, that how much they have raised for their interest rates. And in comparison, and crypto pair, no, I said the other currency pairs, so would be bearish in comparison. Um, just they can be hopeful to bullish other pairs because in order to have the same interest rates like the United States. So for euro dollar we experienced the same amount for uh, some minutes, some hours maybe. Did you see that? I told you that this is the valuable channel. The first reaction, second, third, and it was supported exactly the zone I have told you. So there are two different scenarios. Listen to these scenarios perfectly. The first scenario says this action can move toward the midline. Okay, for example, if you see this one as a kind of channel, you can see the midline is maybe this zone. Okay, you can draw it for yourself, in better way. And other scenario says when we have this zone as very strong, support for euro, now this action can be a pullback for euro and we might see weaker euro for the next week. So very important thing that you should wait for is the breakout of this zone. If there is a breakout, pullback, so it can move to toward the midline of the channel. I told you that about 1.03. Okay, this is the next target of euro. Otherwise, this zone is very strong and can act as a resistance and can push euro toward lower zones. And let's go to British pound, my favorite to trade. I love British pound to trade, It's not financial advice, but my favorite. All right, so for British pound, we had the same situation like euro. I told you that this is the first reaction, second reaction, and it was supported exactly for the third part. And I said that this zone can act as a, support. British pound is getting, stronger maybe for next week and see this zone one more time, 1.20. And the next target it can have now would be 1.21, and 1.21 is very, very important for British pound. You might ask why? Because it is resistance for this dynamic zone, okay, this dynamic trend line and this static zone that we could see pull back. Then we say we have a stronger pound, but I don't think it is probable, because we are in this downtrend, and it might take longer until the moment that we receive any positive news from the Bank of England about the interest rates. So about USDJPY, we have seen again a stronger dollar in comparison with weaker Japanese yen, and I said that we have 137 as a great resistance, but seriously it has a good breakout, pullback, and moving toward the midline of this channel. You can draw the same channel, and to see that the first target it can have would be 100, maybe 40 or 41, 42 as the next target, but it might take longer because it can rest somehow here, again have another pullback to this zone, retest this zone, and again it can move toward this area, and it might take longer. That's it. The other one was Canadian dollar. I analyzed. I told you that there was the spike. It was a spike and it was correction. I have drawn this, and I said that if there is a breakout up to from the down side, it can have pullback to this zone, and it can move toward this zone one more time. So according to theories, it can see, it's a possible action, and there's a possibility to see 0.75. It can make the process complete here. So the same size leg would be here, and I guess it could be probable. All right, and that's it, nothing more. But let me just update my analysis here for you. Now this one doesn't work anymore, and what I think for maybe next week is moving in this downtrend. I don't know. We have these two zones, but the lower one, we have only one. This is just a probability, okay? I guess that, yeah, somehow. Okay, small amount here, but it is moving in this channel, and we should wait to see what will happen for next week. My expectation says that we could see 0.75 one more time. But if there is a breakout, there are two scenarios all the time. If there is a breakout of this channel, okay, and pullback, so we could see 78 one more time. That's it. And the last item I analyze is AUD, Australian dollar, For Australian dollar, as you can see, I told you that we are in a channel and we are still in a channel and nothing changed. So you could see my previous analysis, but what I want to repeat right now for new subscribers is that we are in this channel and I have set these 5 zones as the next support zones for AUD. The first one is 1.44, the other one 42, 43, 42, 40, and finally 37 is the next support it can have. But what I think would be, support on Monday morning, and it can move toward the midline of the channel one more time until we don't have breakout. Here we cannot see these zones. That's it. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends. Have a great time. Bye-bye.